design team member for StampAnniething.com. Welcome to the final day of the previews for the November 2022 coffee themed release. We are so excited to have you here with us today. All of the products that you've seen are now available in the StampAnniething shop, and you can pick it up. But if you're interested in all of it, make sure you check out Stamp Club, and I will have more information on that coming in a separate video. So in today's video, I am introducing you to the third and final chibi character. We're going to meet Jamal. And what I love about this release and what I love about Anne and what made me really excited to work with this company is that she draws characters that are multi-ethnic. I don't think that's the right word, but it's the word that popped into my head. So all of these characters have ethnic hair, and they're meant to be other ethnicities other than Caucasian. And I love that. I love how diverse, I love the diversity, I love the inclusion, I love all of it. And I think it's so spectacular, and that's what makes StampAnniething one of my favorite companies ever, for any kind of thing. If you're inclusive and you are diverse, then you've got my vote. So yeah, so let's head over to the craft table. I'll introduce you to Jamal and share with you all the products that you can see together. So let's go. All right, friends, for day 3, we have Jamal, and Jamal has a sign with him. So he has dreads, and then he is wearing like a sweater with an undershirt, and then he's holding a cup, and then he's got a little coffee sign, and I am proud of myself that I could read all these. Hashtag bifocals for the win. So it says coffee, and it says mocha, Americano, espresso, cappuccino, no wait, menu, excuse me, coffee menu, and then Americano, espresso, cappuccino, mocha, flat white, and hot chocolate. So once again, it could be coffee themed. If you're a coffee drinker, it could be hot chocolate. If you're a hot chocolate drinker, how fun would this be to make like tags for like, because around this time of year, you can always buy either the cups with the hot chocolate, or you can make your own. I've seen people do that. And his sentiment is have a brew to full day. So once again, so just in all of the design team and their samples. Let's go back over the entire release with you. So we have the Coffee Lover stencil. We've got the coffee word die. We've got the coffee bar builder. We've got Darius with his cutout. We've got Christina. She's whipping and sipping and nay-naying. And then finally, we have Jamal. And then not included in Stamp Club, but ones that you can purchase are the adornments. So that is a wrap on the November 2022 release. This coffee theme is so much fun and perfect for this time of year. So these are now available in the shop. Before you head out, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications. Again, we are trying to upload more here on the YouTube. So I will see you next Friday for another video. And until then, bye for